Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Roblox on Windows 11. So first of all, open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser. Go to the search option, search set to Roblox. Go to this link. Then showing here to this dashboard. You need to first create a Roblox account. Roblox account create process very simple. First select birthday, username, password, your gender, and then click on to sign up. Then successfully create your Roblox account, or if you have already Roblox account, click on to login and then login. Look at my Roblox dashboard, and after that select a game, any game, like click on, and then showing here to play option, click on, then showing here to download and install Roblox option, click on. Okay, now complete Roblox download process, click on to install. And now running to install process. So look here, this is my Roblox. Now successfully download and install my Roblox. So that's it. That's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.